How to upload 3-minute videos to Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Insta application on a device over here. So let's tap on Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram. Now, simply what you need to do is tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Reels section. Now, we need to select a video that's longer than 3 minutes. Now, since I don't have longer than 3 minutes, I'm going to select 3 videos over here that is more than 1 minute. So let me select 3 of the videos over here and then tap on next option. So here you'll be able to add different options. You can add music, text, filters, and so on. So let's skip that. I'm going to tap on next now. Then here you just have to add your captions or hashtags. You can tag people, add locations and so on, and simply tap on share. And that's how you will be able to upload 3-minute videos to Instagram Reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.